we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of GEJRIO Snow Machine, 650 watts snow maker with wired remote control, snow making machine for outdoors and indoors, perfect for stage Christmas, holidays, parties. Highlight features or overview summary are include: strong power and large capacity. Our 650 watt snow machine features a powerful motor and fan that creates a powerful airflow when turned on for quick snow making. Compared to other snow maker, the tank of our snow machine is bigger. A 1,500 ml snow fluid tank is enough to spray 2,000 cubic feet of snow for incredibly realistic snow effects. All in all, whether you want to use it indoors for parties or festivals, or outdoors to add ambience to stage shows, this is a great choice. Safe and non-toxic. Will artificial snow hurt us? No, our snow machine is compatible with water-based snow liquid. These fake snows are a quick-drying snow-like foam that is non-toxic, harmless, non-irritating, non-staining, and leaves no residue. Completely safe for children, pets, and plants, so you can create a winter wonderland with no worries. Adjustable output. By turning the knob on the remote, the amount of snow spray can be adjusted at will. With just one touch, our snow maker will take you from romantic fluttering snow scene to the scene of heavy lifelike snow effect in fairy tales all at once. No preheating required, just power on for a few seconds to spray. Used anywhere and any season. No snow? Don't worry about it. Compared to traditional snow machine only work on cold days, our snow machine can make snow unaffected by weather. You can easily create snow for Halloween or Christmas parties, even if you're living in tropical areas. High quality and widely application. The all-metal housing and copper pump to ensure durability and a long lifespan. And a visual flow meter that lets you remember to replenish snowflake fluid in time. Designed with a handle, so you can hang artificial snow machine from the ceiling or place it anywhere you like. Perfect for indoor and outdoor activities. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.